guys, I'm here at the Waldorf Astoria, Bangkok, on the 55th floor at Bull and Bear restaurant. It is the highest steakhouse in Thailand, and Chef Daniel Masters has kindly agreed to give us a lesson in cooking steak. Let's go. This is Chef Daniel Masters. He is the chef de cuisine here at Bull and Bear. And actually he came to Bangkok from Rockpool Restaurant, which is one of the best restaurants in Australia. But I also like to give them a shout out for having a very good native Australian cooking school.
I'm going to teach you today about how to set up a fire, the importance of using a few different types of wood,
okay,
how to get the flame nice and hot, and then what that means and how we can go about doing that.
Okay.
Then we're going to cook a lovely piece of Ranges Valley boneless ribeye. That's a marble score 5-6. Ranges Valley is probably one of the prominent grain-fed beef producers in Australia. It's coming from Gleninnes, which is in the northwest slopes and plains. We use quite a lot of their beef here at Bull and Bear, and it's an amazing product. So let's get started on the fire.
Okay, yes.
A lot of people don't realise the importance of setting up a proper fire. If you don't set it up properly and the fire can't breathe, you won't be able to generate enough heat. If you don't generate enough heat, you won't be able to get that nice crust on your beef. The other thing that's really important we use here is the two different types of charcoal and one type of wood. Okay, so these are just basically your heat charcoal, these ones on the bottom. And the heat charcoal are there to do just that. They get hot and they retain the heat.
Okay.
The ones I'm putting on there now, this is eucalyptus charcoal. I don't know if you're noticing, is that I'm trying to build the fire but still leaving plenty of air. Plenty of air pockets, because
it's sort of like a teepee.
Yeah, if you don't leave the pockets with the air, your fire can't breathe and it won't get hot. So you've got your nice teepee arrangement there, plenty of air pockets, and you've got a nice structurally built fire. We're really fortunate with our fire is that it's got an inbuilt fan, which is great. So
there's a fan underneath.
See these holes here?
Yes.
That's a
so it's basically like blowing, as if you were fanning it in your fireplace.
Yes.
But it does it automatically.
Yes.
That's so cool.
One of the features for the grill is the fact that it goes up and down, like the up and down system, which is quite cool. Dry aging fridge we have here basically runs at a much lower humidity, and it also needs to sit between 0 degrees and half a degree.
First question though, is there always salt in a dry ager?
Yes, so the salt is an extra layer to help dry out the air. The idea of dry aging is you're removing the water from the beef, right? So that if you take water out of something, you're intensifying the flavour.
Right.
The enzymes up to 28 days that are also sealed inside the beef, the enzymes go to work also tenderising the meat. So it's to enhance the flavour and also the mouthfeel. Okay, so that's it.
Wow. Two pieces.
Let's have a look at the fire. Getting very close.
Yeah?
So you want to eat medium rare, right?
Yes, we do.
So the idea is you don't go hard and fast on a medium rare steak, especially if it's grain fed. If it heats up too slowly, it just becomes overcooked and dry and horrible and grey and smell it. You don't get a chance to get that crust on it.
So we crust it first.
So you go hard early, pull back and rest. And then you should a rule of thumb is rest it as long as you cook. Okay, so we're just going to take it off now. It's been a couple of minutes. Just starting to see some of the juices come up through to the surface, right? Which means it's going from blue to red as it starts pushing out.
Right.
When you get a nice even coverage of the juices that are coming up through the steak, that's when you know it's going from rare to medium rare, and you want to rest it, and then you want to rest it. Okay? You don't want to go too far. The more the juice comes out, that's the proteins tightening, and that's just pushing the juice of the beef out, which is why you want to rest it. See how it's loosened up? It sits nicely loosened up. It feels really evenly. So that's so the fat's done its job and it's melted down, so it's not so hard.
Wow, beautiful.
Perfect size. So, yeah, nice
Oh.
Do you want to, and then just keep it.
Oh my god.
Keep
Kidding
it pretty.
me?
Okay, and that's good. We're going to serve that with truffle mac and cheese and some red wine.
Yeah. I've invited a couple of friends to try steak.
Great.
Please, can you explain what it is?
Perfect. So it's the dry aged Ranges Valley ribeye, served medium rare with some red wine sauce, as done by a chef here. Cheers.
Thank you so much, Chef, for clearing out your kitchen for us for this private class. I'm gonna get out of here so you can deep clean and fully disinfect it before all the guests come.
You're most welcome. It's amazing having you.
I loved it, and I hope you guys learned something about beef.
Thank you so much.
Thanks, Chef.